Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday to all of you. This is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. More lawmakers in Congress are looking into new universal basic income programs, which could provide low-income Americans with small monthly relief payments. SNAP beneficiaries will also be receiving a boost in benefits this month. Friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and watch until the end of this video to learn how to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
The last time Washington Democrats pushed through a huge change that disrupted families' arrangements, it earned President Obama the Lie of the Year award. Democrats insisted that if you liked your health care plan, you could keep your health care plan. It turned out that was totally false. Their reckless government takeover threw many families into chaos. This year, many of the same Democrats want to write a sequel. They want to ram through a radical, reckless, multi-trillion-dollar taxing and spending spree between now and Christmas. And a huge part of their bill would completely upend child care and pre-K as they exist for families all across our country. If you like your child care, you can keep your child care. Well, buckle up, parents. What could possibly go wrong? The Democrats have written their toddler takeover in ways that would turn families' finances literally upside down and make already expensive child care even costlier. So let's walk through how they did it. First, their reckless taxing and spending spree would make child care dramatically more expensive through an avalanche of new mandates, regulations, and micromanagement, the usual Washington, D.C. routine. State and local governments are panicking about the child care inflation this would cause. Here in the district, as one liberal analysis,
30 states have decided on expanding their SNAP benefits for its residents following the start of this crisis. In March of this year, the Biden administration expanded monthly benefits federally. Food stamps are given to those with low income. That's up to 130% of the poverty line. This means the average income for one person to be eligible is just $12,880. With benefits, you could get some pretty specific discounts as well. Changes have been made in the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program for those with disabilities or older adults that are living in New York. New York Governor Kathy Hochul announced changes in SNAP to further assist individuals who fall into these following categories. This included simplifying the SNAP application, extending the duration that households can receive benefits before recertification, and eliminating the interview requirement. According to Governor Hochul, these changes aim to encourage these individuals to enroll into the program. Now, there are multiple states in our country that are going to help out struggling residents with universal basic income or stimulus checks that are worth up to $2,000 in 2022. Universal basic income, or UBI, is a recurring payment that can happen monthly, weekly, or annually. Stimulus payments have been a one-time payment. Though there have been multiple stimulus checks of all different types, they're paid once and not recurring. Americans continue to call on the government and ask for another stimulus check. While Americans wait to see what happens with the government, local governments are taking matters into their own hand and using stimulus money to help their residents. Santa Ana city officials announced they will be giving out 6 million prepaid Visa debit cards to households in the most impoverished areas in the city as part of the Revive Santa Ana resident stimulus program. But 20,000 rental units will each get a prepaid Visa card valued at $300 that can be spent at any Santa Ana business that accepts Visa cards. The Santa Ana City Council approved the program and increased the total amount to be distributed in order to include more households. The program is part of the $160 million Revive Santa Ana Crisis Recovery Initiative, which is funded by the Federal American Rescue Plan Act. Due to strict federal guidelines, the city said a data-driven analysis was conducted to determine the eligible areas. Rental units with poverty rates above Santa Ana's median poverty rate of 42% will qualify to receive a card. City workers will be going door to door to hand out the cards in the next coming weeks. In Chicago, Illinois, they will send universal basic income payments of $500 per month to qualifying families with incomes under $35,000 a year. The 5,000 eligible families will be chosen randomly. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, which will be sending 200 low-income household payments of $500 per month for a period of 24 months. Payments are expected to begin soon. The state of Maine also distributed stimulus checks beginning November 15th. Maine is sending out 500,000 payments to individuals who filed Maine tax returns in 2020 and who were full-time residents of the state and who had an income under $75,000 for singles or $150,000 for married joint filers. These payments are worth $285. Friends, the key word for this video is thankful. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you click and like my videos and also comment below the keyword from each video. Thank you so much, friends. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer also wants to ensure 43 million borrowers with federal student loans do not suffer the consequences of having to return to making payments in just 2 months. President Joe Biden's Education Department announced that it would be extending the pause on student loan payments through February 1st, 2022. But it made it clear that was a final extension and that borrowers would have to prepare to pay off their debt next year, regardless of the state of the crisis. During a news conference in New York yesterday, Chuck Schumer urged President Biden to change his mind. Chuck Schumer told Biden, "We want the country to ultimately cancel student debt. But in the meantime, extend the pause. The pause must prevail. This debt is overwhelming for people. If we don't extend the pause, interest rates just pile up. Students owe a fortune. And with the crisis here, we're not getting out of this as quickly as we'd like." So friends, what are your thoughts on student loan cancellation? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here this Tuesday morning. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Also, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and comment below the keyword from each video. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very, very blessed Tuesday.